Now, this is one of the best that you can have. The Ngakpa amulet is one when you wanted money to just keep on flowing in, when you wanted success to just happen. It happens like serendipity amulet yan, no? It brings you so much of yung wealth and happiness, not in the level of sobrang laki agad, hindi, no? But it makes the flow of money constant. Yan, no? Yan yun. And then it gives you, it levels you up. Hindi mo na mamalayan, nagiging successful ka na, no? Now, the best amulet that you can have, the number one amulet is the Bonpo amulet. Number one ay a Bonpo amulet. Unfortunately, not everyone can actually have, ganito po ang Bonpo amulet. Not everyone can have this. That's one. Second, this is 3 times, 4 times the price of the Ngakpa amulet. Kasi very rare. Pero hinihingi ito ng approval. Hindi po lahat binibigyan ni Bonpo nito. But the Ngakpa amulet, all my mga alaga ko po, lagi ako nagpapagalagay sa kanila ng Ngakpa amulet. Kasi it makes everything flow smoothly. Okay?